Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by 876 Commercial Complex and we are showing you a new development that's taking place out here. This is a mega development, but we don't know what this warehouse will be used for or who is building it. So if anybody knows who is building this warehouse, based on the size of the lot and the warehouse, it's easily over $1 billion they have spent to build out this facility. And look at the space for the parking lot or the area around the warehouse. So if anybody knows which company is building this and what they're going to use this facility for, leave your comments in the section below. And based on the warehouse and the space, guys, what do you think they are going to use this building for? Because look at the amount of entrances they have to the warehouse, but they don't seem to have, or maybe they do have loading docks. But this is a very nice warehouse, but we're just trying to figure out what it's going to be used for and who is going to build it. So guys, leave your comments in the section below. That's Mandela Highway in the background, and we are at 876 Commercial Complex. And look, I'm amazed at the amount of space they have for the parking lot. You could have built another warehouse this size in the space that they have. Alright guys, enjoy the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Even if you don't know what company is going to come in here, what do you think they're going to use this building for? Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.